going? Good?
Good, so good.
Hey man, I'm going to go to shoot today. Want to come?
No, I'm good. I'll stay here.
Why not, dude? It's going to be fun. Come on.
Yeah, I'm alright.
Alright, hey, guess what? I'll tell you about it later, though. You know what I'm saying?
Alright.
If I get caught, you know, you got to come be with me, though. Alright.
You did what you did. You guys all agreed on it. So what's the matter?
Hello, hi, how are you? Well, I want to order a small pepperoni pizza, please, to 5000 McLeod Drive. Okay, thank you. Hello, how are you? Okay, let me tell you this. There's this guy that's doorbell ditching, and I got really tired of him, and I saw who that is, so can you come over like in 10 minutes so you can help me get him?
Okay, I'll be right over.
So guess what? You got to know how to...
Help me!
Now listen, that project is already set up. At this point, it's still on.
Freaking A! Oh my god! Sorry, I thought it was the doorbell. This guy does doorbell ditching on my door all day. Sucks for you. I'll help you out. There's this guy that keeps doorbell ditching, and I'm really tired of him, so since I attack you, can you help me attack him? Sure. Okay. I don't know what we should do. Let's go eat some pizza. Damn it.
Don't doorbell ditch. Ah!